Hello viewers, today I'll show you how to download and install Notepad++. Notepad++ is the editor software which is similar like to Notepad, Windows Notepad. Windows Notepad has basic feature. It is that not advanced level, but Notepad++ has many advanced level feature. So you can use it like a notepad. Also you can use it like editor, like you can do coding with Notepad++ like HTML, CSS, Java, JavaScript and many other languages too. So how we'll download and install? Let's open a browser and type google.com. Then in the search box type download Notepad++. You will get a fast link download Notepad++. It is notepad-plus-plus.org. It is the Notepad++ official website. I will give you the link in the description so you can download it directly. So click over here and Notepad++ now current version is 7.9.1. 7.9.1. So click over here and there is two version. One is 32-bit, one is 64-bit. Based on your computer version you can download 32 or 64-bit. My computer is 64-bit, so I am downloading 64-bit installer. Once download is completed you can directly go from here and install. Also you can go to download folder, like here is the download folder. You see there is a Notepad++ installer 64. So let's click over here, download it. It will give you the pop-up. Do you want to allow this app to make changes to your device? Click yes. Now installation is started. You see there is a language button. It is English. You can select any language, whatever it is available, but I'll go for English. So click OK, then click next. Here's the user license agreement. Just read it and click I agree. Then here is the destination folder where your Notepad++ will install. It is by default it is coming. If you want to change this destination you can click browse and then change. I will go by the default one, whatever chooses by the software. So click next. Here is the default setting, whatever it is. Click next. So create a shortcut on desktop. If you have a shortcut on a desktop, it is easy to use. Just click and it will open. So I'll create a shortcut on desktop. Click install. So it is finished. If it is checkbox run Notepad++, then after clicking finish, the Notepad++ will open for you. So I'm leaving like as it is checked. Then click finish. It will open the Notepad++. It is the Notepad++. So click close this one. So it is a notepad. How we will use that? Let's say like a regular notepad. I'm writing download and installation completed Notepad++. Let's say I'm not saving this file, just I will close this Notepad++ application. It is closed. So as usual, whenever we use the notepad, if you close it, if you don't save it, you will lose your data. But Notepad++, if you open Notepad++ right now, though it is not saved, but your data will be available so that you will not lose your any data. This one of the best feature I believe in Notepad++. So I'll give you. So I'm making a little bigger. So I'm closing this file. No, we don't save it. So now I'll write some HTML code, right? HTML code. consulting on head and body. So first one is HTML and closing tag is HTML. The next close tag is header, I mean head. The next one is body. Then closing tag is body. It is basic HTML structure. Within the head, you put title on your page. Title. Let's put title like Notepad plus plus. Right? In the body section, just put a paragraph. P P. Notepad plus plus download and installation completed. Now you have to save this file. It is like a plain text. When you will save it, you will see this is a HTML language. Color will be changed. Everything will be changed. So file, save as, just save it as desktop like index.html. Then you have to select over here all file, or you can directly select HTML. Save. You see color has been changes. It is a HTML file. So if you go to desktop, there is a file called index.html. Right click, open with Google Chrome. This is your web page. You see over here Notepad++ as a title, and it is your body, Notepad++ download and installation complete. So it is a great software for editor purpose. So whatever I cover, open in browser, navigate to Google search, or directly you can go to website for download completed, installation completed, and I showed you how to open Notepad++ and use it. So for next tutorial, I'll give you the advanced level user features, how you will use the Notepad++ for programming language. So I believe this will be helpful for you for installation of Notepad++. If it is helpful for you, then please like it, comment my video, and share it to others. Thank you for watching this video.